How to force a reboot in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, press the volume up button and then volume down button quickly and then power button quickly. Volume up button, volume down button and power button quickly, and press power button and it will be reboot. So you can see our screen is black and the Apple logo will be appear on screen. So this is the way to force a reboot in iPhone 16 Pro Max. And here you can see you can reboot your phone many times. Thanks for watching this video.